Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the JOHOs.
Wow, yeah, I wouldn't have been able to get this out. I think I want a couple of them. That one of them for sure I want it like this tall. Like I want it to be a bit of a statement. You okay?
Yep.
Oh my god, why do you have to carry so many at one time?
Do you want all of the short pieces as
That
well?
would be great, yeah. Thank you. As many as you can afford.
Just thought I'd jump on here real quick to explain what we're making. We're making freestanding Christmas trees for our front porch. Just a quick watch, so we'll see you at the end and we'll talk more later. Bye.
Is these the ones with mouse poo all over them?
Well, they were inside the thing. So, if you like to wash your hands and go down to the workshop. Oh, there's those pink gardening clothes. Remember?
The white ones with the foam.
Yeah, wash your hands first.
Yeah. Okay, let's get serious here.
Now that I have these all laid out, this here are three that kind of were left over. So I figured I want to make a little tree going vertically. Now these three here are identical. So I thought, how cute would it be to do three individuals going horizontally? See, going up and down like that. So not sure if I want to do two or one on here, but we shall see. Anyways, Mark will help me figure this out because I don't think that I'm very good at doing these triangles like I think I am. I want to make sure that they're actually looking like a tree triangle because I'm going to give some of these as gifts. So I kind of want them nicer. If they're from me, I would totally eyeball them, but I don't know which ones I want to give away and which ones I want to keep. So I got to make them all really nice. So now these little homemade gems I'm going to show you here. This is a little plant stand that I had made that used to be a little Christmas Santa sign that I had out the front of the house a few years ago. Anyways, recycle, recycle, recycle. Not the sturdiest construction at all. Anyways, I want to take this apart and use these long, I think they're 1x2s, I feel, because they seem to be almost the perfect size, especially for the ones that are identical, the medium sized ones, and use them as the stem for the Christmas tree. So, and now this little plant stand as well, again, not the sturdiest construction at all. The smaller one here for the stem of the small one that I'm making, or the medium. It all depends on how they fit. Let's just go there. So I told Mark what I wanted to do, and he was kind enough to say that he would draw the triangles for me and then cut them out. I was more than happy to help him because I don't love using the saw. I don't mind using that little jigsaw, but I don't know. I just don't like using the big saw. And I don't even know the name of it, but the big saw. So to my understanding, this thing that he's using finds the angles. So all you need to do is flip it over for the other side. So what he's doing is he's taking the bottom where I wanted it. I kind of wanted it right at the corner. So he's starting from there, working on the angle, going into the top, drawing a line to match them up, and then flipping it over and doing the other side. So I guess maybe I could do it now that I've seen him do it. I didn't really know how to use this little thing, so I have no idea what it's called either, so I'll pop in the name as well here. If I had to name it, I would just call it the Angle Maker. I would know exactly what I was talking about. Gonna be totally honest here, this project probably could have taken a good afternoon, a good few hours, let's say, but we had had a busy day already, especially Mark. I mean, we already went to the dump, so he had to load up the vehicle and unload the vehicle. I don't really do any of that. I just kind of go along for the ride because I can't really lift too much anyways. So he's already done that. He's washed both the cars. He had a day of it already. So I knew that we could finish up this during the week and it wouldn't take long at all because then we could both use the drills. I'm just not overly comfortable with using the saws, as I've said. Anyways, so that's an approximation for anybody who wanted to try to make them. It's probably a good, I'd say start to finish, maybe about 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Whew.
All right.
Yeah, done.
There's so many variations with these trees you could do. You could add little lights, you can paint them different colors, you could stain them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I just want to look at them for a little while and decide and figure out who I'm giving them to and then kind of customize them to them. And the race against the sunlight starts. I want to take this time to say thank you so much for watching and everybody that's following along on our little YouTube journey. And if you haven't yet already subscribed, you should right now because we do a lot of fun stuff. We got a lot of fun projects coming up for the winter. Hopefully we'll see you there. Well, everybody, we are on a race right now because it, as you can see,
Who said that?
it's getting dark.
Who said that?
You can't see me. So we are just going to finish it off here. We'll show you the end reveal of all of the Christmas trees, and yeah, that's it.
Happy holiday.
Too early, too early.
Happy holiday.
I'm telling you, that's one thing about this whole YouTube thing. You really got to be on top of the seasons.
Oh, I can't wait to bust out my Neil Diamond Christmas album again, because let me tell you, that thing has not seen the light of day for nearly enough Christmases.
Great.
Oh yeah.
Lucky there's a light on that drill.